Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Yamaha's brand new and fascinating new headphones, their E700s. Yamaha has done many a headphone in their history, and combining their talents with DSP and noise cancellation, these wonderful new headphones have an amazing feature set. Primarily, by the way, they sound wonderful. That's a gimme. But they have a new app control and listening optimization, which uses microphones embedded in the headphones to attenuate any number of different things to ensure that the listening is absolutely perfect, no matter your environment, no matter how the cup might sit on your head, and it sounds awesome. Add to it, they've got active noise cancellation. They've got a function called listening care. Now, listening care is it's a way of understanding that the volume of the song and music and other things you're listening to can vary. The outcome you don't want to vary, but the quality and other things of the volume of the recording might. So it overcomes that. They've got ambient noise rejection, there's classic noise cancellation, there's a microphone inbuilt for hands-free use of any number of things, including phone calls, and the battery will last for 35 hours. So absolutely amazing. Let's have a look. So again, Yamaha's not new to headphones. They've done a range of headphones, I don't know, for over a decade actually, and it's wonderful to see that these are so well thought out. The packaging is full colour on all sides with some basic information, and as you can see is closed with little sticky tabs. Opening these headphones is relatively straightforward. There's a sort of a slip over the outside of the main box with a hang cell for retail. The inner box, bringing you closer to the artist. A Yamaha logo, and again this inner box is sealed with a couple of those tags. Opening this is very straightforward with a magnetic catch. Okay. And we start to have a look at the abundance of beautiful packaging that they have added. A little bit of information about the headphones themselves, along with a basic sort of accessory guide, a few other things as far as, download the app, turn on your Bluetooth, that kind of stuff, and a hint to some of the accessories we will discover. So inside we have what's called a soft clam case with a zip. Pausing for a moment though, we're going to drill further down. This this plastic support packaging can be removed, revealing a bit of information associated with warranty and service information, and a very comprehensive user guide, including app control and diving into some of the features so you can get the most out of it very quickly. Now to the headphones themselves. Lovely look and feel as far as the headphone case. It's got a little pocket at the front. The headphones fold flat to be able to protect themselves. They're a round cup, and the pads themselves are beautifully comfortable. Inside, and I hope the light catches it, but please, as always, hang around for some photographs where I'll take some good close-ups. You see an inlay of right and left, so that you can very quickly sort of grab them and put them on your head. There is a tag here with serial number information on the headphone. The headphones themselves, the band has a very good look and feel, and a nice robust sort of feel as it notches through the expansion options. There's a Yamaha logo embossed, and a nice cup shape as far as how it would sit in your hand as you put it on and off. One cup has the ability to turn on and off ANC, and there's a variety of options there, along with a 3.5mm input to avoid using Bluetooth. You can, or if the battery is low, you can run a cable directly into it. There is a volume up and down, and a play pause button, along with the button that you tap to accept a phone call should the phone be tethered to your should this be used to be tethered with a phone. The USB-C is for charging purposes, and it's good that they've opted for a more modern universal standard. It's far easier to align a USB-C. There's no sort of upright connection. Then you've got a power button, and it's part of that is how it goes into Bluetooth seeking mode. Putting those aside for a moment, we'll have a look at the accessories that they have. There's a small plastic bag tucked inside a protector. By the way, in the bottom of the thing, and again I hope that you can see this, hang around for some photographs, we have a line drawing of how the headphones can sit in it. Now that's a nice little feature. Subtle, but you understand that how many times you sort of, you might use it for months before going to put them away and go, oh, how do I fold those up? Well, it's nice that the line drawing is there. The cables and accessories again are in that small Ziploc bag, and it's lovely to see they've got a good range. There's the standard headphone cable, which has a 3.5mm right angle to 3.5mm. They're following a universal standard, so should you need a longer one, it's very straightforward to purchase an aftermarket one. Or should this be damaged, it's very, very easy to get another. There's a mono flight adapter for in-flight entertainment. And then there's a USB-C cable for the purposes of charging. Now there's no charger supplied with the unit, but of course everybody's got one nowadays. When we do recommend with anything along these lines, one of the larger sort of 2-amp models. So, there we have it. Oh, by the way, the app. Hang around for some photographs of these headphones. What I'm going to do is try and find the app and get some screenshots or something like that so that you can share some of the options that are available. These headphones don't look like much, but when combined with the app, release so many more of the options that have made these headphones sound so wonderful, and why I'm so excited to have shared them with you. So, there we have it. Yamaha's brand new YH-E700 headphones, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.